Hello and welcome. Today we're talking about choosing the right funeral brochure size for a memorial service program. When designing a funeral brochure, size matters more than people realize. The size you choose affects how much content you can include, how easy it is to read, and how polished the final program feels. At the funeral program site, we offer DIY funeral brochure templates in letter, legal, and tabloid sizes so families can choose what works best for their needs. Let's start with letter size. Letter size brochures are 8.5 by 11 inches, and when they're folded into 3 panels, those panels become very narrow. While this size is easy to print at home, the limited panel width can make text feel crowded. Unless your program has very minimal wording, letter size is usually not the best choice for a funeral brochure. Next up, we have the legal size brochure. Legal size brochures measure 8.5 by 14 inches, which gives you more vertical space and wider panels when folded. This extra room makes the text easier to read and allows for better spacing of photos, poems, and service details. For many families, legal size offers a more balanced and comfortable layout. Finally, there's tabloid size. Tabloid brochures are 11 by 17 inches and provide the most space for content. This size works well for programs that include multiple photos, longer tributes, or detailed service information. Tabloid brochures also tend to feel more substantial and are often kept as long-term keepsakes. Whichever size you choose, the funeral program site offers DIY funeral brochure templates in letter, legal, and tabloid formats, making it easy to create a meaningful, well-designed program that fits your content. If you're considering the funeral brochure layout for your next printed memorial, we recommend you gather all your information and photos first before deciding on the size. Once you have all your information and photos you want included, decide at that point which size will accommodate all your content. Remember, the funeral brochure does not allow for adding pages due to the type of folded presentation, so if your content is a lot, select the largest size. Larger is better since you can add content if you have too much room, rather than a smaller size in which you'd have to remove content if you run out of room. Choosing the right brochure size helps ensure your funeral program is both readable and respectful, creating a lasting tribute to your loved one. That's it for today. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye for now.